How many grams of sucrose C12H22O11 must be added to 559 grams of water to give a solution with a vapor pressure of 0.209 mmHg, less than that of pure water at 2 degrees Celsius? The vapor pressure of water at 20 degrees Celsius is 17.5 mmHg. So, from the vapor pressure of water at 20 degrees Celsius and the change in vapor pressure for the solution, 0.209 mmHg, we can solve for the mole fraction of sucrose. Then, from the mole fraction of sucrose, we can solve for moles of sucrose. And lastly, we can convert from moles of grams of sucrose. We can convert from moles to grams of sucrose. And so the mole fraction equation is this. Delta P is equal to X sucrose times P naught of water. So in order to set this equation up to solve for sucrose, it's going to look a little something like this. X of sucrose is equal to delta P over P naught water. And that's equal to 0.209 mmHg, because that was given to you in your problem, over 17.5 mmHg, again given to you in your problem. And once you calculate that, you'll find that that equals to 0.0119. So using the mole fraction of sucrose, we can we can calculate the moles of sucrose. So your new equation is going to be X sucrose is equal to N sucrose over N water plus N sucrose. So before we do anything else, let's calculate the moles of water. Moles water is equal to 559 grams, which is given to you, times 1 mole over water's molecular mass, 18.02 grams. And once you calculate that, that equals 31.0 moles of H2O. Now we can plug that in for N of sucrose. So N sucrose is equal to X sucrose times N water over 1 minus X sucrose, and that equals to 0.0119 times 31.0 moles of H2O over 1 minus 0.0119. Sorry for crossing out the top part there. And that equals 0.373 moles of sucrose. Then we convert the moles of sucrose to the mass. The mass of sucrose. So the mass of sucrose is equal to 0.373 moles of sucrose times 342.3 grams of sucrose over 1 mole. And once you calculate that, your mass of sucrose comes out to 128 grams. And that is the grams of sucrose that must be added to 559 grams of water to give a solution with the vapor pressure 0.209 mmHg less than pure water at 2 degrees Celsius.